So even though, Texas is a mess. Now, with that being said, Texas is a mess, but, we'll turn Texas blue eventually. But finally, some sanity. So basically in Texas, these conservative maniacs were trying to shut down every single solitary abortion clinic. Just shut them all down. But the justices voted on a 5-4 to grant an emergency appeal from the clinics after a federal appeals court upheld the new regulations, refusing them to stay while the clinics appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court order will remain in effect until the court decides whether to hear the clinic's appeal to appeal the lower court ruling. The decision will not come before the fall. So that means this. The court's ruling blocked regulation and basically has allowed women in Texas to have the right to choose. That's basically what it means. It is what the courts did, but for the next 3 months, women will have their rights in Texas. It boggles the mind to me how far these people are willing to go to take away for you to do what you want to do with your body. It ain't their business. Minding your business, America, is a free thing. Ted Cruz, Governor Abbott, and the people in the Republican Party and the far, far right conservatives need to mind their business. Don't be worried about what Jane is doing at Planned Parenthood. Don't be worried about what Lisa is doing at the abortion clinic. Be worried about what is happening in your house. Be worried that your husband might be cheating on you. Be worried about the fact you can't pay your mortgage. That's what you need to be worried about. Be worried about the fact your kids can't read. Don't be over here worried about what Lisa's doing with her uterus. It's none of your business. Mind your... If us as Americans would just accept the policy that every American had the ability to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, their pursuit of happiness, not what we deem to be their pursuit, and all we were going to do was mind our business, we wouldn't have any of these crazy laws. You wouldn't have you wouldn't have marriage equality, one man or woman definitions in the Constitution. You wouldn't have people trying to close abortion clinics. You wouldn't have none of that. You wouldn't have people blurting up black churches. Just mind your business. Stay over there in your world. Okay? Stay over there and deal with your problems and stop trying to engage and mess with other people's situations. What they are trying to do in Texas is say no matter what, you could be raped, your daddy could have raped you and you could be having a baby in Texas. You've got to have it because we're going to take away your rights. This is a battle over rights, America.